Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2026 Dodge Durango. Tackle life's projects with strength and ease in the Durango, the versatile SUV with muscle car spirit. Refined comfort never packed such a punch. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry. Feel confident knowing that your vehicle is prepared to meet the challenge. Drive the Durango.